Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a quick guide on how to allow everyone to send friend requests on Discord with the latest update. If you want to expand your friend list and connect with more people, follow these easy steps. First, open the Discord app on your Android device. Once you're in, look for your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it to bring up your profile options. Next, find and tap the gear icon at the top right of your profile to access the settings menu. In the settings, scroll down and tap on Friend Requests. You'll see an option that says Everyone. This is what you want to select. By marking Everyone, you'll allow anyone to send you a friend request. And that's it. You've now updated your settings to let everyone send you friend requests on Discord. Make sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on using Discord effectively. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates.